it's Marion from Bodmin. I just want to share with you a really simple way to create a window wonderland display at home this year. And the first thing you're going to need to do is just decide which window you're going to decorate, and it'll need to be one at the front of your property so that other people can see your display. So this idea that I'm sharing today is just for a really simple silhouette effect, and it's really inexpensive, and I promise you it's easy to do. All you need is some greaseproof paper and some thin card or thick paper to cut out your silhouette shapes from. So you need to measure the panes of glass in your window and then cut your greaseproof paper to fit the panes of glass. Okay, you might need to stick a couple of bits of greaseproof paper together, like I've done here. You can just do that with a bit of glue, and I've ended up with 2 panels like that cover my kitchen window. So once you've got your greaseproof panels sorted, then you can start drawing out silhouette shapes on your card. Okay, you can do whatever you want, whatever theme you want. I've got a fir tree here and some stars, but anything goes. Get the kids involved, whatever you fancy. So cut out all your card shapes, and then you're just going to arrange those onto the greaseproof paper however you like. Just glue them down, and then you'll end up with your silhouette design that perfectly fits your window. So once you've done that, you're just going to stick that in the window with some blue tack or tape and backlight it. So you can do that just with a desk lamp pointing at it or some fairy lights, and it will give a lovely glow from outside that will look really pretty when people are walking by. And I'm going to show you what this design looks like after dark.